What's up friends, welcome back to UpIQ, and if you're new, special welcome to you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your Revolut transaction history. It's also important as well that you find an account that you have some history with. If you have multiple accounts and there is no history, then it's going to show no transaction yet until you're not able to really find any history from that account. But once you have multiple accounts, you'll be able to find transaction history. So as you can see, I'm scrolling across. This is an account that has more transaction history. So I'm going to simply click where it shows once I'm on an account, you need to scroll down a bit and it's going to say see all. I'm going to tap on that, and from here you can see that it shows me the transaction history. So here I can just simply start to scroll, and once I make a little scroll down, you will see that it basically start to show me the dates and so forth, right? So you can go ahead and you can switch between different months that you want, and you can go back in a certain time to actually find it. So as you can see, I'm scrolling down here and I can quickly view the transaction history on a Revolut, guys. And that's how easy it is to quickly go ahead and check your transaction history on a Revolut.